Planning a trip sounds exciting, right? You sit down, all pumped, open your laptop, and I bet you, within minutes, you are all confused. And first problem, you don't even know where to go. 10 tabs later, you are more confused than you started. And somehow, it still doesn't feel right. So, instead of all that, I tried something different. So, let's say you don't even know where to go. There is an option right here. Not sure where to go? Click that, and now you get multiple countries. You can scroll through tons of options. Different vibes, different places, all in one screen. Now, instead of guessing, just filter. Let's say budget friendly. Pick your travel month. May, because May is coming. It even shows the best time to visit, so you are not randomly choosing dates. You also get route options like multi-country trips, Japan to Korea. Now here is the real problem. Too many places to visit. Everything looks good and you want to do everything, right? So instead of overthinking, just pick a route. Let's go with the golden route. Set your dates. Say May 15 to May 30 and just click. And you got your itinerary. And that's it. Everything is ready. Complete itinerary, day by day plan, what you are doing on each day, all sorted. You get budget breakdown, travel tips, logistics, weather alerts, even option to customize if you want. And you know the best part, you don't even need to sign up till now. Now, you just enter your email to get the full itinerary in your inbox for free. And just like that, I get the itinerary in my Gmail. No waiting, no extra steps. Let's open it. And boom, full trip plan right here. Everything you actually need is covered. Day by day itinerary, places to visit, things to do, travel tips, essentials, important information. Basically, everything you would normally spend hours researching all in one place. That's it. Flights, itinerary, budgets, everything is done. You hate planning trips? This might actually save you.